take a look at my content, and if you like what you see, subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification button. This way you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So with that being said, I did a post on my Instagram and on my YouTube stories asking you guys if you would like to see more, not more, but food related videos on my channel, because since my channel is only about fashion. So you guys said yes, that you guys would like to see more food videos on my channel. So with that being said, I'm going to show you today snacks that is our go-to. We don't snack on these every single day, but when we do, this is what I put together. So if you're interested in knowing what they are, continue watching. All right, guys, so I am going to fix my husband's salad in this bowl. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Another thing I want to show you guys, I do not like cutting like in a surface like this, because this kind of like moves around. So what I like to do is I like to put like this grip mat thingy that I got from the dollar store down here, and I like to place my cutting board under. That way when I cut, you see it doesn't move. So let's get started. Okay, so the next go-to snack is the Pico de Gallo with chips. That's one of my favorites because I love Pico de Gallo. I make my own at home. So let's go and get started on that one. Okay, so this is what we have cut up so far, which is onions, tomatoes, and cilantro. Also, I need to add a few more ingredients. So I want to also let you guys know this. I normally put lime on my Pico de Gallo. If you guys don't have lime, you can use lemon. It's really up to you. You can use the preserved one, which is the lemon juice that comes in the bottle. So you can also use that as well. So for the sake of the video, I love the natural, so I'm going to use this lime right here. So the next to-go snack that we like is cheese platters. We do cheese platters here. I make them individually sometimes, and yeah, so I have my ingredients here as to what I'm going to put on the boards. I also wanted to share with you, just in case you want to know where to get cheese boards at. This one, I got it at Amazon. I'll have it in my Amazon store, and you could look it up in the maybe I'll have it in the kitchen supplies board. This here, I bought it at Marshall's. This one, I bought it at Ross. And this one here, I bought it at Big Lots. And this one was for $20. So just to give you an idea where you can buy cheeseboard platters. So if you like this one here has like, let me show you something. It has like words on it. I don't know if you can see it. You see it, it has cheddar, Gouda, mozzarella. It has like words engraved on it, just to give you an idea where to get cheese boards at. And yeah, with that being said, let's just go ahead and start plating.